If you want to attract private pay clients, you need to adopt a little bit of a different mindset from attracting insurance-based clients. So if you're making this switch right now, or if you're starting from scratch and you just want to focus on private pay clients like a lot of my clients do, you need to understand their motivation and you need to understand how they look for therapy in general. So to give you an example, with insurance-based clients, they will go to their insurance company and they will look for a therapist that would be in network. So their priority is being affordable, finding an affordable provider. When it comes to private pay clients, the priority is a little bit different. They understand that they will be paying out of pocket. They understand that maybe they will get reimbursed for a portion of the visit with out-of-network benefits. But the main motivation is to find the best fit and to find somebody who would really be able to help them with what they're experiencing in their lives. So the main goal for you when you're trying to attract private pay clients is to really understand where they're coming from, what they're dealing with, and what they're looking for. So their fears, their aspirations, what do they want to get out of seeing a therapist? And it cannot be very general, because if it's very general, it's very difficult to create this connection that we're talking about through marketing. The main goal for your marketing becomes creating the connection with your ideal audience. And so if you haven't yet defined who your ideal client is, if you haven't defined your niche, I recommend that you download the ideal client questionnaire. I'm going to be putting it in the description of this video, but also within the article about private pay clients that I'm also linking to this video. So with that said, when you understand the motivations of your ideal client, when you understand what they're looking for, when you understand their pain points, what they're dealing with their daily lives that they cannot overcome on their own, creating this connecting message becomes much easier. And this is the first thing that you need to focus on when you're trying to attract private pay clients, is really understanding how you can connect to a particular population that you want to serve, to a particular audience. And from there, you will need to create a marketing strategy that takes into account different marketing channels and different marketing tactics to expand your reach, to create awareness about your practice, to let as many people know about your practice, and to put out as much information as possible for people to get to know you better, for them to feel like they're being seen, that like their problems are being understood and what they're dealing with is relevant to how you can help. So this is the main difference between attracting private pay clients and insurance clients. I don't think that there's anything inherently right or wrong in either one of those private practice models. You can work with insurance clients, you can work with private pay clients, but you cannot take the same approach in attracting these two categories of clients. And even if you're doing a mix of private pay and insurance, and you want to really leverage your private pay part of your practice, it's really important to understand what motivates private pay clients to find a therapist. Hope it was helpful. Make sure to follow my channel. Make sure to like this video and leave a comment if you have any questions. I'm Avivit Fisher. I'm the owner of Pratt Strategy, a marketing consultancy for therapists, and I'm here to help you fill your private pay caseload.